Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Prime. Hey. So guys, like you can see the title of this video. I'm moving my first apartment, so we're gonna do a tour of the first apartment. I got a key today, so this is the key. So yeah, and I just forget to tell you the reason why I stopped posting on YouTube. Yeah, so oh my hand hurting. The reason why I stopped posting on YouTube because I'm putting myself together. Yes, together. For your girl is back. So I moved Iowa in the cold. Extra cold. I moved Iowa. I've been stopping with my cousin. My beautiful cousin. But I just got my place. I moved I think 2 months ago. Or 3 months ago, yeah. But I just got my place today and we're gonna do a tour. Hey, let me show you what's been going on. You see the bike? Let me show you. I've been packing. If I pack and then I mess it up, pack and then mess it up. So yeah, don't judge me. So this all my clothes. You see how a little messy? Because if I pack the clothes, I just have to look for another clothes to wear again. So and I like to pack early too. So that's why it look like that. And I already got all my stuff. The bed frame. The only thing I remaining is the mattress. Who the hell buy all the stuff but don't buy a mattress for their house? Actually, that makes sense, right? But yeah, this the freezer. This the bath stool, stool. And I got this pot because I've been asking everybody to buy me pot. Nobody won't buy me pot, so I have to get this pot. And yeah, the back patio thing. So let's go to the tour of the house, of the apartment. Let's go to the tour of the apartment. Let's go. Let me take this. Let's go. I know it look blurry right now because all this light sucks. Let me take my rice. Alright. See you in the house, in the apartment. So this the hallway. It got an elevator. It's like 3 storage, I think. Yeah. But I'm on 2nd floor and the elevator make it easier for me to haul all my stuff because a girl have to buy all her stuff ahead of time. So let's go straight into the apartment. Oh, this the place. And let's start from the living room first. So this is the living room. Yes, right here. It got a fireplace and then TV place. But I don't think I'm putting my TV over there. I think I'm putting my TV this way. Yeah. And then this is the back patio. Let me open it. That's the back patio. So we got this stove from the bedroom. I'll show you from the bedroom. I'm going to show you. And that's the kitchen. Just the bar ever. Yes. Yeah, don't mean about the pillows before the bed. So I know I'm slow, so it's not strange. So just the small closet when you enter, just a closet. And it comes in a dishwasher. Just a dishwasher? And they give me a gift. A snack. Hand sanitizer. And some lip balm because they say my lip is crusty. That's why they give me a lip balm. And yeah, there you got some cover. Yeah, it's just one person, so. And the store is clean. And that's the cover. Yep. In the microwave. And just the pantry. The pantry. I know y'all you saw TV in this video, but pantry. Just the pantry is big enough for me. Yeah. And yeah, it's time for a bill. Let me take my light off. Time for a bill. Let me take my light off. Let me take my light off. Yeah. I don't have enough bill money. Alright, so let's go to the guest bedroom first. The guest. So this is the guest bedroom. Yep. It's big enough for guests, but for king and emperor. So this is the closet. And they come visit, just for a visit. And the guest bathroom. So just the bathroom for the guest. Yep. They come with a small cover. There's not a cover. I thought it was a cover. And a top in the bathroom. So let's go to mine. Yep. This is mine. So this one, it comes with this door that you access through the patio. Some money. The container on fire. I need to open it. Alright, let's try. So you access this door. And you spin. What the hell? It's not trying to go. Girl, it's not trying to open. Let me press it and see. I think I have to open it from the back. But yeah. This red flag number 1. This red flag number 1. Yeah, right there. Red flag. And my bathroom. So the bathroom is in the room. In the room. And that's the bathroom. Yeah. One thing I don't like about this bathroom, the cover is smooth. Yeah. The cover smooth. And the shower, this is the shower. The shower in the master bedroom. And my little portable walk-in closet. Yeah. And yeah. Turn off my light. It's time for bills. So we're gonna turn all the light off. And so this is the end of the video. Like you see, it's too bright. The sun is in my eyes. So that's the end of the video. As you can see, yeah, that's the reason why I stopped posting, because I have to work to get the money. And guess what? So today I went to work. I found a new job, right? found a new job, so I went to the work. And we have to fold our clothes to the job, like folding our clothes. Girl, you know, I like to fold clothes. I only made 1 hour. As soon as I got on break, I was out the door, and that's how I got another job. Yeah, but I got another job today again, so we're gonna keep out the house. For us to pay the house rent, we have to, you know, we have to do something. So just for us to keep us the house rent, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming video. And yes, I will bring you through all this house journey design, all these things. I got so many things in mind. So just stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And our goal is 1,000, guys. Don't forget. See you in the next video. Peace out.